Hey guys, Thunder-E here, and today we are unboxing a Galaxy S10e. Also, we're giving one away, so how about you watch the video and stay to the end and find out. Alright, so here are our Galaxy S10es. We've got two. We've got a white and a yellow version, so we've got two colors here for you. Now the white is a Snapdragon version, and the yellow is an Exynos version. We'll be unboxing both of them. Now the S10e is a pretty great device because its price is $749. You can actually get it for slightly cheaper if you pre-order it from Samsung.com and you're trading in an older device. But let's go ahead and start off with the white version, which is our Snapdragon version of the Galaxy S10e. The box, S10e, very simple, all black, which is really nice. We'll open that up. We have a SIM removal tool. We've got documents in there, really nothing special. So we'll set that aside. We're going to go ahead and, of course, pick up our S10e. Nice compact look for a device, which a lot of people are looking for. All white, so you can see how reflective that white can be. It's got two cameras at the back. We'll take a look at the design much closely. Then we do have, of course, our wall charger, USB. We've got our transfer tool, USB Type-C to USB, which is now standard for most Samsung boxes. AKG headphones in there. And then we do have USB Type-C to USB cables all packaged. Very nice and neat right there for it. Now let's take a closer look at the second device, which is the Exynos version. So it's an international version. Is it different from what we have packaging wise? Now this also has the free memory card according to the deal. I picked this one up on eBay. Just a quick word here, the packaging is different side by side on the back, the way at least things are listed, but they both are 128 gigabyte versions. So that's one of the coolest things about the S10es, that is 128 gigabytes as standard. Samsung didn't want to skip away, was no 64 variant. Ooh, that is nice. We do have, it looks like besides the SIM removal tool, we do have a case. This is one of the cases I did really like. I like with the S10 line. It's kind of like this punch hole case, which you can actually use on your device. Pretty cool. Looks actually pretty solid. Gonna check the US version to see if we have a case in there. And I'm gonna open it up and see, and looks like there is no case. So okay, so at least the international version, what I bought from eBay, looks like that actually does come with a case. So that's just interesting to note. Nothing else here. Just making sure that I'm not missing out on anything. A little surprised to see a case in there. But we'll set that aside and we'll go ahead and pick up our yellow S10e. Really nice looking, but we've got white accessories. I wish the accessories did match, of course, the color of the device. 128 gigabytes of micro SD storage. Again, white charger. We've got the white AKG headphones and white cable. So that's the only thing I'm a bit bummed out here. But let's take a closer look at both devices. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at our S10es here. Now, the first thing you note, of course, is a small size, 5.8-inch display, smaller footprint, which means it's much easier to grab and hold. You do have that lovely dynamic AMOLED display. It's more than a 1080p resolution. I'll show you the resolution. It's got the single hole punch camera there. Always on display is also in effect. You do have the fingerprint sensor on the power button, which means you just basically put your finger there, that powers it on. Same with our other device here, we can do the same, and it unlocks it, which is pretty cool. So some of you looking at wallpapers, we have the links for you guys down below, so you can check that out. It's got everything, a lot of things are similar. Now, this is powered by Snapdragon 855, this is powered by the Exynos processor. Both have 6 gigs of RAM, 3100 milliamp battery included. Both do have wireless charging, and they do have reverse wireless charging. So that's very key. That's actually included here, which is nice. You can reverse wireless charge, say your Galaxy Buds or even another device like we showcased in our versus video with the Mate 20. Definitely check that out. You've got, of course, gesture features. Some of the camera features like the steady shot is also there, which is cool. So you do have steady shot on this device. So it's something that's very simple, as easy as going to video and hitting steady shot. You can do that. It's the same gesture controls, the same functionality, the same OS is built into this device. Records a 4K of the front-facing camera and the rear. Really nice fit and hold. You can see me just holding both devices in my hand how easy it is to access that power button there. So they feel really, really comfortable. Cameras are the rear. We do have two cameras. One is the ultra wide, the other is the standard 12 megapixel camera. So you do have that. So you do have the dual f-stop 1.5 and 2.4. So a lot of great features on both devices you would find. So, and as I mentioned earlier, we are giving away a Galaxy S10e. All you have to do to enter to win is, of course, subscribe to the channel and follow us on all our social media channels. Then leave a comment stating your best S10e feature and leave, of course, your social media account name with that comment as well. We will announce the winner once we hit 5,000 likes on this video. And once we do that, somebody's gonna win an S10e. Again, this is to commemorate the fact that we've got 5,000 videos up on YouTube. I wanna just thank you guys for all the support and all the love you've shown over the years and watching all the videos. We appreciate it. And on that note, we'd just say, always enjoy your entertainment.